The guys actually kicked us out of the detailing bay and our wash area, and as you can see, we're in the middle of nowhere.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, your host with the most with another Chemical Guys video, Slick Dick.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another Chemical Guys video. The guys actually kicked us out of the detailing bay and our wash area, and as you can see, we're in the middle of nowhere. Miles from civilization, sorta. But we wanted to show you guys that you can clean and detail your car virtually anywhere just using a couple of products. So this Mazda, we're actually on our way to a Chemical Guys commercial shoot, and we need it to look a little bit better than it is right now. So we've grabbed a few products, and we're gonna show you just how easy it is to remove dust, dirt from your paintwork as well as your glass, and keep your car looking its best. Our first step is to remove the dust and dirt from the surface, and we're gonna be using Swift Wipe, which is an awesome waterless wash that contains a little bit of sealant, but it's very simple to use. Just start by shaking up the bottle and spraying the surface down, giving this a moment to dwell. And I know a lot of you guys ask, is it possible to wash or detail your vehicle outdoors? And that's essentially the main purpose of today's video. And the answer being yes. Not only are we on our way to this commercial, but this is just a good opportunity to show you guys how easy it is to keep your car looking factory fresh. And this car just so happens to belong to a good friend of the Detail Garage, Christian, the man behind the camera in all these awesome videos. And we just want to make sure that this car looks fantastic for our shoot. And Swift Wipe is just a great way to do that. Now you see how easy it is just to wipe away that spent product. And a few things to keep in mind. Obviously start off with a clean microfiber towel, fold it into fourths or more, and then roll the towel as you wipe. And this prevents the installation of scratches and swirls because as you see, that dirt creates a hard edge. And as you push this down on the surface, it can actually create micro scratches and marring. So we roll the towel and also flip the towel to clean sides, utilizing as much of the towel before swapping it for a new one. This way, again, we're getting this car looking its best without inducing any kind of imperfections. Now our next step is to clean the glass, and we've chosen to use streak-free, which is safe for your interior and exterior glass, even your tinted surfaces, because it is ammonia-free. Very simple to use. We'll just start by spraying the glass. Someone with perfect handwriting obviously tagged this vehicle, but just a few mists of the streak-free, and we'll give it a moment to dwell. And we're pairing it with a waffle weave towel, which helps to safely remove any kind of dirt and debris from the surface. But also the waffle weave pattern helps leave a streak-free surface. This way you can just restore perfect clarity without any kind of runs or streaks or residue. Very simple. And a pro tip when using any kind of glass cleaner, whether you're working on the inside or the outside, is to alternate directions. Meaning on the outside you could work vertically, and on the interior side you'd work horizontally. This way, if you should have any kind of streaks or residue, you can tell which side it's actually on the glass. And also when you're working on the inside of the vehicle, to spray the towel. This will help to control any of that overspray. Another great product to keep on hand for detailing virtually anywhere is Total Interior. Now, this is a cleaner and a protectant that's safe for virtually all interior surfaces. And we're going to spray our microfiber towel to control some of that overspray. But what this will do is help pick up any of the dust and fingerprints, any body oils, as well as any lingering messes such as like pet hair. And it'll cling to the towel, safely picking up any kind of grime. But it's not going to enhance or add any kind of shine. More importantly, it's going to add UV blockers to prevent harmful UV rays from damaging your interior surfaces. Alrighty guys, there you have it. You see just how easy it is to clean your car virtually anywhere using a couple of products. And not only is having your detailing arsenal on the go, keeping it nice and organized a plus, but also this is just a great way to keep your car looking its best anywhere. So if you guys want to check out any of the products that you units use today, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, or to your local detail garage. If you guys like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you guys are detailing, and we'll see you next time.